You can find this excellent sandwich and this view between the Brooklyn Bridge to the south and the Manhattan Bridge to the north in Dumbo, Brooklyn. This view belongs to the home of the Time Out Market Food Hall with 21 purveyors of food and drink that will satisfy all who like to eat good food. But before we head upstairs to the incredible view of the Manhattan skyline, let's check out what we ordered for lunch. How can you refuse Pat LaFrida's perfectly sliced, juicy, roasted pork with slightly bitter broccoli rabe, the sharpness of the provolone cheese, and the garlic herb oil made a well-balanced savory sandwich. Out of all the ways to make potatoes, here is a bowl of crispy sweet potato tater tots that were perfectly fried, which provided the right crunchy texture to bring out the flavors of this delicious spud. Brooklyn Wild cauliflower was coated with the right amount of honey chili spices that elevated the flavor of the vegetable that you will crave for that slightly sweet and spicy kick. In this bowl by the Migrant Kitchen was a healthy and tasty mix of Brussels sprout slaw mixed with a garlicky dressing and chopped up well-seasoned chicken, topped by a ripe avocado and shredded Romano cheese, along with a dusting of chipotle seasoning. This salad really balanced out the sandwich from the start. Now let's explore more and go up to the rooftop and find out what is on top of this building. Comment below, what would you like to eat at Time Out Marketplace?